and welcome back to Ross Taylor Woodworks. This time I'm going to fix up a old T-back rocker. It was another roadside find. And it's got a green paint on it over the original finish. In this case I'm just going to do some re-gluing. Basically I'm going to take it all apart, it needs to be re-glued. I'm going to preserve the green paint and turn it into, just leave it as a shabby chic rocker. Just kind of maybe wear down the paint just a little bit. It's flaking in a few spots. So just kind of wear down the green paint a little bit and seal it, and it'll be a shabby chic rocker. Now, as you can see here, the seat is coming apart. All the glue joints are coming apart in the seat. So I'm going to take the seat apart. Just kind of carefully put the boards back together. And arms are loose. Basically just needs re-gluing all over. And then this is a really nice old weathered green paint. It's been sitting out in the weather for years. So I think it's going to look fantastic. Just a shabby chic green paint. One great thing about this rocker is there's no rot on it anywhere. Everything is nice and solid, even though it's been sitting out in the weather. Now I'll just start taking the whole thing apart. So sit back and watch. Now that the seat is glued up, I'll start gluing the whole rocker back together. One thing I did not do before the repairs was do a cleaning. So now I'm going to do a thorough scrubbing down with some TSP. This will remove all the oxidation and dirt off the paint and remove any little bits of flaking paint. I installed some new screws on the arms, so now I'm going to touch them up to make them look rusty. And add some little rust stains, like little drips.